Design an LLM that runs entirely offline on an iPhone. It's the AI interview question Apple and Meta use to spot senior engineers. Most people just list tricks. Here's the framework that gets you hired. 5 moves: scope, shrink, run, protect, survive. Scope the constraints first. That alone signals seniority. An iPhone has 6 to 8 gigs of RAM, but iOS kills apps long before that. So your real budget is 2 to 3. And usable means at least 10 tokens a second. Then shrink. Don't train from scratch, take a distilled open model in the 1 to 3 billion class. 7 billion is too big for a phone, even squeezed. Quantization is your biggest lever. 16 bits down to 4. 4 times smaller, almost no quality loss, if you keep the key layers precise. Distillation buys quality upstream, pruning helps least. Quantize first, prune last. Now run it, and memory is where phones bite back. Memory map the weights so the system pages them in and out. Then watch the KV cache, the conversation's running memory. It grows with every token and can outgrow the model itself. Quantize it or slide a window over it. Here's what most people miss. Generating a token isn't compute bound, it's memory bandwidth bound. Each token rereads the whole model but does tiny math. So bandwidth is your ceiling, not raw power, which is exactly why 4-bit weights also run faster. Split the work across 3 engines. The neural engine is the most efficient but wants fixed shapes. The GPU is flexible for the heavy prompt matmuls. Prefill on the GPU, keep static parts on the neural engine. For more speed, speculative decoding, a tiny draft model guesses ahead. The big one verifies if you can spare the memory. Context is memory you pay for twice. Keep it lean, slide a window over old tokens, keep the first few as anchors, or offload memory to retrieval instead of stuffing the prompt. Protect the reason you're doing this at all. Nothing leaves the phone. Airplane mode works, there's no server to breach, no per query cost. Encrypt everything at rest, keys in the Secure Enclave. Want it to know the user's own notes without a bigger model? On-device RAG, embed their documents locally, keep the vectors on the phone, pull the best matches into context, private, small, and grounded. Survive the real world. Sustained inference heats the chip throttles, and your tokens per second quietly collapse. Prefer the neural engine, cap what you generate, and back off when the phone runs hot or low. Be honest about the limits. Small models hallucinate more and reason less. Quantization degrades quality, measure it on real tasks, not perplexity. Old phones may not fit the model, so degrade by device tier. Every knob trades quality against size, speed, and battery. Name those trades. Expect the follow-up. Why is decoding memory bound? Because each token reads all the weights but barely computes bandwidth, caps you, and quantization buys the speed back. Answer that cleanly and you sound like you've shipped it. Scope, shrink, run, protect, survive. On-device wins when privacy, offline, and cost beat frontier quality, and a senior says that trade-off out loud. Follow for more AI engineering interviews. Broken down